Hi guys, today we're opening the Ryobi 12-inch sliding miter saw. So, if you guys have seen my other videos, I had the Harbor Freight 12-inch double bevel miter saw, but it broke. I'm going to give Ryobi a shot. I just got a bad miter saw from Harbor Freight. It's just jinx, or if they just quality isn't very good. So, but I decided I'd try one of these Ryobis instead. Yeah, that's what it looks like with the cardboard off. It looks like it's already got the blade and everything installed on it. Yep, it does. So I'll just try and take it out of here. Cut that out of the way. Slide that out of the way. And there we go. It's got a 40 tooth carbide tip. I'm doing crown molding, so hopefully that will work. On the Harbor Freight, this part broke on the Harbor Freight saw, so cool. We'll go try to use it. One thing about this one is it doesn't have a bench, but I think I'll just use this box as my bench. So I get another one. It just does seem square. It's set at 0. It's a 0. So 0's good at least.